Here we are in the back garden, and you see my husband was able to give the garden a till, and there's our dog Hank coming to sniff stuff out. So what I was able to do while we were tilling, actually, was able to flip over the purple potted hoop house that we use. So I actually condensed it. Normally I'm using 5 16-foot hog panels, but this year I decided to condense it to only 3. We don't eat that many beans, and I still have a lot saved up. So even though it's beautiful, I gotta make smart choices with the space that I have in this back garden. So this back garden gets shade during the afternoon, so it really works good for some beans and some cool weather crops like the broccoli and all the brassicas and stuff. So the first thing that I've been doing right here, you can kind of see it kind of blocked in here. This is where my lettuce likes to grow the best. So I came along in here after he tilled, and I edged all the edging, and then I put some black fabric down. And then I put those old fence posts along just to kind of help, you know, with the weeding and stuff like that. And then while I was doing that, I noticed that this actually fence post was rotten, so we had to take that out, put a new one in. So now we've got this shape in there, which is kind of fun. And those are cedar because they last really long, and my husband really likes the way that they look. So we did that, and then we had to put some new fencing on. So then I had to wait for that. But now I'm getting this smaller section planted. It's about 3 foot in length, and I kind of come along and start planting some stuff in. So far I've got purslane in there, some beets, some dill, cilantro, some black Henderson lettuce, some 𝗕𝗰𝗸, some lettuce that I've seed saved from 2021, some merlot, some watermelon radish, and some tennis ball lettuce. And I believe that is some dill that actually saved from last year. I dug it up and replanted it right there. So I kind of have this section blocked off for now. I put little sections in between, little space in between, so I can go ahead and get in there and weed and pick the stuff as it starts to come up. So this is what we're doing in the beginning parts of the back garden. This is kind of what I end up doing about every year. So soon this will be hopping and filled up.